Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're gonna look at how you can log into your Metamask account. If this sounds helpful to you, then watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and turn on the notifications so you don't miss informative videos similar to this. The first thing you'll need to do is download the app of Metamask on your device. After it's been downloaded, open it up and you can see an interface such like this. Now what you'll need to do is click on get started. Next, click on import using security recovered phrase. This is the phrase that is given to you by Metamask while you create an account. This is a secret phrase, so you shouldn't share this phrase with anyone and keep it in a safe place. Agree to this, and then you'll need to enter your secret recovery phrase. After you enter the secret recovery phrase, now enter in a password and again reconfirm it. If you want to be remembered next time you log in, you can toggle this option on. If not, then toggle it off. After you're done, you can click on import. And just like that, you have been logged into your Metamask account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with similar videos such like this. Thank you for watching.